A bit of breaking news to bring to you right now on Links 007 TV News Report. Pele, the greatest footballer of all time, passes away at age 82 after a long battle with colon cancer. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Breaking News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The world at large and the football fraternity has been plunged into mourning following the news of the passing of the greatest footballer of all time, Pele. Pele passed away at age 82 years old after a period in hospital, having had a tumor removed from his colon last year. The Brazilian is widely regarded as the greatest footballer ever to live following his incredible football career. Pele is the only player ever to have won the World Cup 3 times, including at the age of just 17 years old. Pele was one of the most influential people of the 20th century and one of the first ever black sports icon. The great football legend had been admitted to hospital on November 30 with swelling all over his body and decompensated heart failure before his passing. According to reports, the former footballer was struggling to eat and had medics look after him, about likely putting in a tube so he could feed. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to the family and friends, and we'll have a more comprehensive report to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.